You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. How to pronounce it. There are slightly different pronunciations, British English and American English. If you want to learn more correct pronunciation, confusing vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. British English pronunciation, how it's said in the UK, support, support. Stress on the port syllable, support. Now, the American English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the US, is as support, support, American English, or support, British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.